Demonstrate the Docker Compose setup for Concourse CI. So I'm already in the directory where the compose.yaml file is. Now I'm going to run the Docker Compose command to deploy the Concourse CI. As you can see, I'm using the terminal, which is integrated with Docker Desktop itself. So as you can see, Concourse CI has been deployed. You can see also the images which are basically pulled and currently being used for the Docker containers. You can see volumes which are, if you see, 20 seconds ago. So these two volumes are used by the Concourse CI deployment with the Docker Compose. Yeah, okay. So if you want to see the logs of Concourse application or Concourse DB, then you can just click on it and you will see all the logs here. There are different options. Clear terminal, copy to clipboard if you want to copy the logs, setting, show timestamps, and search in the logs, I suppose. Yeah. So yeah, so these are the options which are provided by the Docker desktop UI. Similarly for Concourse, you can see the logs. You can also see the files. So you will see these are the files inside the container. Yeah. Home directory. If you want to execute something inside this container, Concourse CI, then you can execute it. So I'm inside the container and executing these. And as you can see, I just listed the file system inside this container. You can inspect. So this is the JSON file for the container, JSON, the container specification. Yeah, that's it. So now it is not showing any ports, but there are, I have exposed Concourse service on port 9018. So I don't know why this happens. I will close the dashboard and open it again. Okay, so now you can see after closing and opening the dashboard, I can see that this link is there. And log in here. Okay, so it has unfortunately cleared the terminal because I reopened the dashboard. So I will go to the path where the Docker Compose setup is. Then I will log in. So Concourse CI can be interacted also with the Fly CLI. So I will use the Fly CLI to first log in to the Concourse. Then I will create the pipeline using the Concourse CI. I will create the pipeline, which is, so in this directory there is hello world.yaml, which has a pipeline specification. So based on it, it will create, if you now open the Concourse dashboard, you will see that there is the hello world pipeline, which has been created. Then next is currently the pipeline is paused, so I will unpause it using the Fly CLI. And if you want to use UI to unpause and play the pipeline, you can use it. So I will just go to the Concourse dashboard and click on the hello world pipeline and click here to run the pipeline now. So now the pipeline has executed successfully. Yeah, so that was an example pipeline to run on the Concourse CI with which I deployed using the Docker Compose setup. Now I will clean the Docker Compose setup. So to clean it, including all the volumes and the images it pulled, this is the command. So Docker Compose down -v for volumes and minus RMI to remove all the images it created. It has to be in the directory where the compose.yaml file is. So as you can see, no containers. If you go to images, you will not see the Concourse and PostgreSQL images. If you go to volumes, the volumes created by the Docker Compose setup have been also removed.